welcome back to my channel. Today's backdrop is super Christmassy, right? Because Christmas is right around the corner and I received my first advent calendar of the year and I thought I would unbox it with you guys. So these advent calendars are from The Body Shop, and as you all know, The Body Shop is, one brand that really dedicates themselves to just helping the world and being responsible, and I really respect them for that because it's really not easy being a brand to, achieve this kind of corporate social responsibility, and really dedicate themselves to doing it lah. You guys will be happy to find out that this year's advent calendars really go into helping a social cause. So this year's theme is to get girls to dream big, and personally for me, like when I was younger, I didn't really have like very, very big dreams. I wanted a very simple life, and if you ask me, I feel like I am living my dream right now. I have my dream job, I have my dream team, I have my dream family and friends, and I really feel like I'm very contented with where I am right now. So yeah, my next step and my next dream would probably be being a mom, I guess, and I am slowly working my way there. So I'll update you guys if anything happens. And in the month of November and December 2019, your purchase of these beauty advent calendars will go into supporting education and training for girls and young women in Indonesia and Brazil. So, you're like not only buying gifts for your friends to make them all happy to celebrate Christmas, you're also going to be helping someone. Also, you guys can tell me what are your dreams in the comments box down below. I would really love to find out more about you. And without further ado, let's start unboxing. So this one is a huge one, it's super heavy. I had such a hard time carrying it up into the studio. It's called the Ultimate Advent Calendar. It is $229, quite expensive, but it has products worth $521 inside. So this one is $229 and this one is $69. So this one is, I guess, a little bit more basic, but really there's something for everyone at the Body Shop this Christmas. So the packaging is so cute. It is inspired by the Brighton houses, and that is actually where the founder of the Body Shop lived, and she first opened her shop. And it looked apparently like this in 1976. So they wanted to recreate this entire festive look and just pay homage to the founder and where her roots are from. And now, let's open up. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my gosh, it's huge. Okay, so for those of you who don't know what Advent Calendar is, right? Every single day in the whole month of December up to Christmas, you can open one every day. So it's kind of like a present for yourself leading up to Christmas. So let's look at number one. So they're so beautifully packaged like this. Number one is like this. It has a nice house detail, and you can see the word number one here. So let's see what's inside. Ooh, it is a full-size banana hair mask. I can smell it from here, it's so nice. And another way you can use advent calendars is you can make use of the good value, because you only pay half price for everything that's inside. You can just split the gifts up and give them to individual friends. I feel like they are already very nicely packaged like this, so you can just wrap it up very easily. Okay, let's move on to the other side. Oh, okay, so there are actually daily trivias on each box. Japanese mountaineer Junko Tabe was the first woman to reach the summit of Mount Everest as well, completing the 7 summits. She believed willpower was the most important factor in reaching for the top. Okay, I guess all these messages are about women that made history and trying to tell us as long as you dream big, you will be able to achieve your dreams. And I did feel a lot more empowered just by reading it, So I think if you read it every single day, one a day, as at the start of a December morning, you'll actually be very lifted up. So we have here the Juicy Pear Body Butter. So there are actually full sizes and also deluxe sizes. So it's a good mixture depending on what you need. Personally for me, I really like it that there are deluxe sizes because I travel a lot. Okay, so this one, it says, nicknamed First Lady of the World, Eleanor Roosevelt was a trailblazer in her support of civil rights and a driving force behind the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Ooh! Carrot cream. So now I'm gonna start unboxing. Okay, so here are the 24 products that are in this ultimate advent calendar. You get actually quite a lot of good size products. Like these are full size, so there's a body yogurt that is full size, hair mask, I really like this one. It's a Himalayan charcoal purifying glow mask. And of course, we have their Japanese Camellia cream. These are like deluxe size, coconut exfoliating body scrub, and a few shower gels. I love their shower gels because they smell so good. And then this is a conditioner as well. Some makeup products. We have 2 lip products over here. This is their Lip Shine Liquid Lip, a brush. I always love a good brush, and this is super cute. This is actually a headband. You can like wear it when you want to put a mask or something lah, and it's like, I don't know, these are like reindeer, I think. Like super cute. Most people would love to receive something like this because it's so festive and it's actually very practical and functional. In there, you'll also get a very big hand cream. This is the Moringa flavored one. A perfume as well. And also, last but not least, these are the really like, the value is so good because these are inside. These are the Drops of Youth Concentrate. So this serum is actually very good for anti-aging. It keeps your skin really like bouncy and plump, as well as the Oils of Life Intensely Revitalizing Cream. So I think this entire set is very worth the money, especially if you're a Body Shop fan. You know, this is like a really good treat to yourself and you can share it with your family. I think I can use it for like 6 months to a year, like all these products. So yeah. Well, if you think this is slightly out of your budget, or if you're looking for something that is a little bit more like pared down, there is this set over here that is only $69. So let's open it up. Okay, so this one is the Beauty Advent Calendar that is $69, but it's worth $174. So let's unbox it. Okay, so the inside is so cute. I just really love the illustration. I feel like it's so festive, and once you open it, you can smell like you're walking into a Body Shop retail store and it's Christmas with Christmas music playing. Like, okay, so this one is slightly different. You don't have it individually packed, but you can kind of like poke your finger through and pull out a product. So same thing, they are numbered as well. Let's open up number 1. Ta-da! The first product of December is a hand cream. Okay, so this is number 1. I'm gonna open number 8 right now. Yay! So this is the coconut body cream scrub as well. So this is a very nice size. I really like the size of this. I feel like, you know, if you want to try out some products from Body Shop, you don't want to buy the full size, this is the best time because you pretty much get all of the Body Shop bestsellers and favorites all in one, and you get them in a really big, like discounted set. Okay, now let's open this one. Okay, we got another hand cream as well. This one is the mango one. This is day number 12. So this is the strawberry shampoo in a small mini travel size. And I'm gonna open everything and show you guys all of the items inside here. Alrighty, so I unboxed all of them and there are 24 gifts as usual. So we have bath bombs, you have 3 of them. Strawberry, mango, and vanilla. They smell so good from here. Body butter, 2 deluxe size ones. The Shea body butter as well as juicy pear. Shampoo and conditioner, we have the strawberry one. British Rose shower gel. Coconut shower cream. We also have a pink grapefruit gel lotion. And also a warm vanilla shower gel. I love this one. It just reminds me of Christmas. 3 lip butters. Strawberry, mango, and pink grapefruit. They're so cute. Small little ones that are so easy to carry around. And we also have a pair of pink gloves. So these are bath gloves. You can use in shower with your shower gel for hands-on exfoliation. So you can just like, you know, exfoliate your body with these. I think these are so convenient and I've never actually wanted to try it, but now that I received it, I probably will try it. You know, if you have a friend that you feel like she needs this, just buy her this entire set, okay? We also have a mini like loofah inside. 2 bars of soap. So this one is the Body Shop Mango and Shea. So these are actually really handy, especially if you kind of like are a no-fuss person. You can use it to wash your face, your body, and sometimes even wash your makeup brushes. So that's what I like to use soap for, because they are very nice smelling, very conditioning on my brushes as well. Last but not least, 3 hand creams, Mango, Juicy Pear and Coconut, a body scrub, as well as a nail file, which I need. So yeah, this entire set is $69. So if you have like a budget of like 100 and below, I think this is a very good gift that is like unisex, you know, like anyone would love it, even if you're young or if you're old, mature skin, man, woman, whatever. I think everyone would love good Body Shop products because they're just like for everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing. I will see you in my next video. Leave me with some comments in the comments box down below. I would love to hear about your dreams, and also tell me how you guys are celebrating Christmas this year. I would love to know. I'll see you in my next video.